What's up, everybody? This is Chardstrom, and we are back with another Box of Awesomeness unboxing today. So this time we have a Flash Edition Box of Awesomeness. It is the EMG Lantac Special Premiere. So without further ado, I have my knife, and let's go ahead and open this. Cool. Box is opened. Let's put that away. This is my little goodie bag. Alright, I've opened my little goodie bag. Now it's time to open the Box of Awesomeness. So first thing that I see is a little e-bike heart sticker. That's pretty cool. And it came in perfect condition. I'm proud of them this time. First up, we have this monstrosity of a mask. I don't even know if this is allowed where I go to. It's a mesh mask. Oh my gosh! So this is the Avengers Mesh Transformer Module Airsoft mask. I mean, it's kind of nice, but like, at least I won't fog, but it still makes me like hot. Like, wow, I've never had a mesh mask make me like hot, like overheated feeling. Anyways, this is kind of cool, so I don't know if I'll ever use this, but this could just sit in the background for stuff. Alright, we have 2 popper targets, so that'll be pretty cool. We got a evike.com one, like a Coca-Cola, and I think that's Sprite, I'm not really sure. But there we go, 2 popper targets. What else we got in this bad boy? We got some more antibacterial face masks. I literally never use these because I use other masks because I like reusable masks. Anyways, now that we have gotten all of the accessories out, let's get to the guns. First up, we have a Matrix Tactical Systems box. I wonder what this one will be. I think we got a good box. Let's see. Oh, another Beretta. Awesome, and it's black this time. It had gas in it? You guys saw me, I opened that. What the fuck? That was weird. Must have been used for testing. Alright, this one feels better than the silver one we got previously. I think it's all metal. Feels like it's all metal. Yeah, that's definitely plastic. Darn. Oh well. It's a nice gun though. I would use this. I don't know about you guys, but I would use it. So, we're gonna put this bad boy back and get on to the main gun. We have a Lantac box right here. Put this box out of the way. Wow. Look at that bad boy. Open this up. And what do we have? We have a Special Premiere AR-15 carbine kit, guys. Look at this thing. Wow. That trigger feels good. That trigger feels real good. And I'm pretty sure this is full metal. Oh man. Here's the magazine. I can get it out. BB's Allen key. I think we're all set to mess with this. And it's got a rod underneath. Look at this bad boy, guys. Wow. Oh, and it stays open. There's our hop up. Nice looking hop up, as you can tell. Let's move the box out of here. That's pretty cool. That feels nice. And you can take off the orange tip pretty easily, it looks like. And the flash hider looks really nice. It's metal. What do you... Oh, like that? For the buffer tube? Damn. I like this gun. It's really slick and like, it just feels right. This is how a gun should feel. I'm just like, I'm shocked at how nice it is. Alright, we got a sight to put on here. Look at that, got a nice doctor sight on it. Damn, dude. Like, I'm surprised I got blessed with such a nice gun. Alright. Should we take it apart? I think we should. think we should. Oh, yeah. Look at that! Freaking goodness. Well, let's put it back together. This is why you shouldn't take stuff apart, guys. Oh, I know why it won't go back together. There we go. Good as new. Anyways, guys, let's go shoot these guns. These guns are pretty cool. I enjoy this one so freaking much. That one, we've seen it before. But this one is just, it's just amazing. I told you I would love this gun. And just, wow. Love the trigger. Love everything about this. The feel. Then the weight to this is just like, it's equally distributed. Like, I can control it super easy. Like, let's take off this shield. I can control that red dot so perfect. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Leave a comment. I know we haven't done this in a while. I've been waiting for a good BOA, and this is definitely a good BOA. We lucked out pretty well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite part of the video is. Any comments about these nice guns? Felt nice to do this again. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye, guys.